Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to Design Hut. Today's design is flyer design. So let's start and make a flyer design. So first of all, I will edit here, edit this thumbnail, and then I will show you the more things. FLYER flyer design. Flyer design. Then I will make some change, and now I will change here, change its color. Which color will be the perfect? Mm, I'll take the black, make it black, and make it also the black. Black. Now how it look like? I think it's look cool. Now I'm going to save it. Save it and export it as PNG format. Here I will take PNG format because PNG format is perfect for design. So export it, okay, and replace it with the past. Now, I am going to the new page for the flyer design. Yes, 8.3 into 11.7 inches, which is for flyer design. Create it. Yes, now here is my artboard and I will place picture here. So there is a picture. Sorry, I will go to the first and here which picture. Let's see. I will take this picture and I will decrease the size, and which size is perfect I don't know. Yes, this is the perfect size for the design. And now uh, I will take the pen tool. Sorry, uh, there is okay, this is okay. And now change its color, this color and this color change, and I will select those and make it lock. Select it lock, and now, sorry, I'll go for the option, and I will make it make it white. Make it white, and sorry, make it white, and now I will change here. mm, 150. Make it 150. Okay, make it 150. I don't know how it look like, but have to try it. 150, and uh, now I will edit here what I want. Sorry, food, VILLAGE, food village, and now and make it okay. How it look like, and I will choose this font. Okay, I will got it, and I will change this color. Oh, I know. Which color will be the perfect here? Yeah, orange should be perfect here. You can see food blaze, and now you can edit here what you want. Make some blog. How is the food? You can write here, and now and I will change this color. Uh, how it look like? I think it's look pretty good. You can see here. This is the today's flyer. Design the concept of flyer, and I will show you more things on the next class. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Thank you all.